Hey everyone! Feeling disconnected in your relationship? Affection Aid is here to help. Today we're diving into 6 signs your emotional needs aren't being met. Stick around, this might be an eye-opener. Number 1, you daydream a lot. Daydreaming is awesome. It's like having a mini movie in your head about adventures or future plans. Normally, your partner would be right there with you in those dreams. But what if you find yourself constantly daydreaming about amazing experiences, and your partner is nowhere to be seen? This might be a sign that something's off in your relationship. Are you daydreaming about travels you'd never take with them, or hobbies they wouldn't support? It could be a signal that your emotional needs for connection and shared experiences aren't being met. Even more importantly, are these daydreams filled with feelings of joy and excitement, or are they a way to escape from reality? If your daydreams feel more fulfilling than your actual relationship, that's a big red flag. Number 2, the cuddle drought. Cuddles aren't just comfy, they're an important way of connecting with your partner. Think hugs, spooning on the couch, or even just holding hands while walking. But what if those cuddly moments have become as rare as a desert rain shower? This lack of physical affection could be a sign your emotional needs aren't being met. Physical touch releases feel-good chemicals in our brains that strengthen our bond with our partner. Without those cuddles, you might feel distant and disconnected. On top of that, cuddling can actually help reduce stress and boost your mood. No wonder it feels so good. If your relationship used to be full of cuddles and now it feels more like a cuddle cactus garden, it's time to have a conversation with your partner. Number 3, communication catastrophe. Ever feel like your conversations with your partner hit a dead end faster than a lost remote? Communication is the key to any relationship. If you can't openly talk about your feelings, worries, or even just your day, it creates major roadblocks. Imagine trying to build a house without talking to your builder. Things would get messy fast. The same goes for relationships. Without clear communication, it's impossible to understand each other's needs and build a strong foundation together. So, if talking to your partner feels tougher than solving a Rubik's Cube, it might be a sign your emotional needs aren't being met. Number 4, the resentment monster. Remember that grumpy feeling you get when someone keeps borrowing your stuff without asking? That's a tiny taste of resentment. Now imagine that feeling bubbling away inside you most of the time towards your partner. Yikes. Resentment is like anger that's been simmering for a long time, and it's a major sign your emotional needs aren't being met. Do you feel constantly unheard, unsupported, or unseen by your partner? This can build up into resentment over time. If you find yourself snapping at your partner or feeling generally irritable, it's a good idea to address the root cause of that resentment before it turns into a full-blown monster and gobbles up your relationship whole. Remember, communication is key. Talking things through can help clear up misunderstandings and melt away resentment before it hardens into a relationship-crushing boulder. Number 5, you avoid people. In an unfulfilling relationship, people often find themselves retreating from friends and family. This withdrawal can be caused by a variety of factors, such as emotional exhaustion, negativity bias, or a loss of self-identity. Spending time with loved ones can be painful when it highlights the problems in their own relationship. They might even isolate themselves to protect their social circle from the drama. This avoidance creates a negative cycle, leading to increased loneliness and dependence on the very relationship that's causing the unhappiness. Furthermore, social isolation can make it harder to get objective perspectives or emotional support, making it even more difficult to navigate the challenges of the unfulfilling relationship. Number 6, the secret spill. Sometimes, venting to friends about a relationship issue is healthy. But what if your partner becomes the forbidden topic of conversation? If you find yourself constantly confiding in others about your relationship problems, and your partner is left out of the loop, that's a red flag. A healthy relationship thrives on open communication. Sharing your concerns with the person you're in a relationship with is crucial. If you only feel comfortable talking to outsiders and not your partner, it suggests there's a deep disconnect that needs to be addressed. Remember, your partner should be your safe space, someone you can trust with your feelings, even the not-so-happy ones. If you're still with us and found these signs helpful, consider subscribing to Affection Aid for more videos like this, and a warm welcome to all our new subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you for following the channel. Don't hesitate to leave your comments and share your experiences. Your engagement means a lot.